Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Milka Durisma and I'm the founder of Big Shift. Thank you so much for tuning in and I hope you guys enjoy what I have to say. Welcome to Big Shift. As I mentioned, my name is Milka Durisma, and you're probably wondering, first and foremost, what is Big Shift? So Big Shift is a company that I started back when I was an undergrad. It's focusing on helping community college students finish faster. So when I was in community college, I struggled a lot. I had a 1.8 GPA, and a lot of the things that I did to cause me to get to that 1.8 GPA were so preventable. And it wasn't about like studying or grades. It was really just about small things. And since then, since I graduated from community college, I've been on this mission to help all community college students finish faster, transfer to where they need to be, and honestly just make the best time possible that they have wherever they decide to go. And honestly, since I've graduated from community college, I've been on this mission to help students that are like me, that were on academic probation, that were on academic suspension, get out of all of that and transfer and go where they want to go. So Big Shift is specifically for helping community college students build their goals and shift, hence the name Big Shift. So a little about me, I got my bachelor's, master's from the University of Central Florida. I'm located here in Orlando. The Big Shift headquarters, our office spaces is located here in Orlando as well. As I mentioned, I started out at community college. I was placed on academic probation, then ultimately academic suspension. I left that first community college that I went to, and I went to a second community college. And though things were a little hard when I first got there, I was able to get out of academic probation because I got there on second time, and really just transfer and prepare on my college. So if you're a community college student, if you're a high school student, if you're a college student, if you're just an adult that happened to stumble upon this video, please hit that subscribe button. Like us on Facebook, that's bygShift.com, Big Shift, and please follow us on Instagram. Same thing, bygShift. So I'm so happy you guys are joining in. Be sure to hit that bell so you can get the notification every time new videos are uploaded, and I can't wait for us to continue this conversation, and I can't wait to hear your success stories. Thank you.